Hello and welcome back to the Vac Mat. Today we're going to be telling you how to maintain and keep your Swan Power Turbo upright vacuum cleaner in optimum performance and at its peak. With these 5 simple steps, you'll be able to keep this machine as good as new and lasting as long as you can. Our first 2 most important tips are to keep your filter and bin clear. The bin here needs emptying after every use ideally, or when it gets to the max fill line. It's easily done. You can just pop it off like this, and if anything gets stuck, it can be removed to clean it. To remove the bin and filter, you pop the top catch open, and here's the filter. Ours is a little bit mucky and it needs a bit of a wash, so we're going to wash that now. So we've washed it and left it to dry for 24 hours. It's important this is bone dry before you put it back in the machine. So to clean the unit out itself, this just comes out of here, and it's important to wipe around the shroud and clean this out. This is unclipped by just popping it in and twisting it. This here is where the suction comes from, so make sure it's clear of hair and debris, and make sure in the hole is clear. So another issue that might occur with your vacuum is a blockage. So to check for blockages, just twist the hose and pop it off the other side too. So have a look, stretch it out, see if there's anything in it, and if you think there is something blocked in it, the best way to check is by dropping a small piece of paper down it and seeing if it comes out the other end. If it doesn't, it's probably blocked, and I'd recommend using a coat hanger to remove any blockages. Make sure down here and in here isn't blocked, and check these. The brush roll should be clear of any debris, and it should be able to spin when it touches the carpet or floor. If it's stopping when it touches the carpet or floor, it means you need to put a new belt in it. One of these is included in the service manual, so that comes as a spare, and it's very easy to remove by just using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws, and this bottom will pop off and the belt lives here. It's easy to replace. If the machine's scattering on hard floor, it's probably because this strip here is worn. Again, one of these is included as a replacement, and these can be replaced easily by just pulling it out and popping it out. A new one can be fitted by just pushing it back in, like so, and aligning the clips. Thanks for watching this maintenance tips video. If you've got any questions about your Swan vacuum cleaner, please feel free to comment below. Don't forget to check out our other social media channels, the Vac Mat on Instagram and Facebook, where you can find even more maintenance tips and reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.